Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who have been here, welcome back. For those who are still new, welcome you guys. I really appreciate you. In this channel, we're helping each other with home, simple, cheap, affordable remedy and rituals. So on today's video, you guys, I'm going to show you how we are going to use ground cinnamon with cooking oil. It doesn't matter the brand of cooking oil, any brand is fine. The cinnamon, any brand is also fine. What we're going to do, you're going to add half the cup of cooking oil in your pot. Immediately you add 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon and then you put it on the stove. You let them boil together, maybe for 5 minutes. Let the oil boil with the cinnamon inside for 5 minutes. When you are done, you can switch off the stove. You let it cool down. What you're going to use this mixture of cooking oil and cinnamon for, you're going to apply it every morning on your feet and your hands only, not on your body, you guys. You're going to apply it under your feet and around your feet and on your hands, in and out of your hands. This will help you to attract a lot of money and success in your life. You will receive miracles, you guys. If you have belief, faith and trust, go get yourself cooking oil and cinnamon, boil them together, use them every morning, apply them on your feet and on your hands only, not on your face, not on your body. On your feet and on your hands, you guys. This will help you to attract more money and you'll be more successful in your life with only cinnamon and cooking oil. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let me love and leave you here until my next upload. Bye for now, you guys.